Hello, ma'am. I'm Mila Shar Bautista, 48 years old, married, and have 4 children. My experience are I work in Dubai for 4 years, finished contract, and here in Hong Kong, I've been working here for almost 8 years with 3 employers. My duties is taking care of baby, taking care of two two boys, um, cooking, laundry, ironing, marketing, cleaning the car washing, and taking care of pets like 2 cats and elderly. I know how to cook. I know how to cook Chinese foods, and I know how to cook Chinese soup. I am a I'm a hardworking mother. I'm a patient. I'm a kind. I'm a trustworthy, and I'm a loving helper to the children of my boss, because I treat them as my daughter, because I am a mother, and I am this is my responsibility to take to taking care of my boss children. And then I can follow the instruction of my boss, and then I am willing to learn. Thank you.